In the vast expanse of the early universe, a captivating phenomenon has been unveiled by astronomers. According to a story published in Earth Sky, Geraint Lewis from the University of Sydney shares a remarkable discovery. Our understanding of physics suggests that time should also be influenced as space expands, causing the distant universe to appear in slow motion. However, until now, observations of quasars, those highly luminous and variable galaxies, had failed to reveal this cosmic time dilation. But recently, astronomers have witnessed these celestial giants ticking slowly in the early universe, confirming Einstein's special relativity theory. This discovery sheds new light on the intricate workings of our universe, reminding us of the astonishing wonders that lie beyond our reach. To learn more about this fascinating revelation, visit the link provided in the description.